Welcome to the Skills Mindset Hub, your one-stop shop for developing the skills you need to succeed in today's ever-evolving world. Whether you're looking to switch careers, start a business, or simply improve your personal life, we have the resources to help you achieve your goals. Our platform offers a wide range of courses, tutorials, and workshops designed to equip you with the knowledge and skills you need to thrive. Let's dive in and explore how the Skills Mindset Hub can help you reach your full potential. Section 1. Personalized Learning Paths. At the Skills Mindset Hub, we believe that everyone learns differently. That's why we offer personalized learning paths tailored to your specific needs and goals. Our advanced algorithms analyze your skills and interests to create a customized learning plan. With our personalized approach, you can learn at your own pace and focus on the areas that matter most to you. Section 2. Expert Instructors. Our instructors are industry leaders and experienced educators who are passionate about sharing their knowledge. They come from a variety of backgrounds and bring a wealth of experience to the table. Whether you want to learn from a successful entrepreneur, a renowned scientist, or a seasoned designer, you'll find the perfect instructor on our platform. Our instructors are committed to helping you succeed and will provide you with the support and guidance you need. Section 3. Interactive Learning Experiences. Learning should be engaging and fun. That's why we offer a variety of interactive learning experiences. From live workshops and webinars to gamified courses and virtual reality simulations, we make learning exciting and effective. Our interactive approach helps you stay motivated and engaged throughout your learning journey. You'll be able to apply your new skills in real-world scenarios and see the results for yourself. Section 4. A Supportive Community. The Skills Mindset Hub is more than just a platform for learning. It's a community of like-minded individuals who are passionate about personal and professional growth. Connect with other learners, share your experiences, and collaborate on projects. Our community forums and social media groups provide a supportive environment where you can ask questions, get feedback, and build valuable relationships. Together, we can achieve our goals and inspire each other to reach new heights. Section 5. Career Services. We're committed to helping you turn your newfound skills into a successful career. Our career services include resume building, job search assistance, and interview preparation. We'll connect you with potential employers and help you land your dream job. With our support, you'll be well prepared to take the next step in your career. Conclusion. The Skills Mindset Hub is your partner in lifelong learning. By providing you with the tools and resources you need to succeed, we empower you to achieve your full potential. So, what are you waiting for? Join our community today and start your journey toward a brighter future.